Good morning, everyone. Autistic Pressure Washer here. I just dropped off my boys at their school, and now I'm gonna go put out those yard signs. So you guys can watch me do it, see how I do it, and do it yourself. And then it gets you work, it does. In my area, you have to have 4 feet off of the road, so pretty much on the other side of the sidewalk. They still disappear, they still go away, people take them, they blow away. But if they stay there for a few hours, at least a couple hundred people see them, possible phone call. Good job. Alrighty, we're heading downtown right now. Not in my town, in another town, a bigger town. I live in a small one. I get a lot of work here. This is my main spot. So once I get there, I'll show you guys what I'm doing, how I do it. Spot number 1, it's a church. I've done it a couple times. I haven't gotten any footage off of it just because I've been busy whenever I'm there, trying to get it done quickly. But here we go. You'll be able to see what we do, well, what I do, and how it works for me. My car's a little bit of a mess, sorry. This is my work truck. It works. And each city has their own rules, so make sure you check with them. So I'm not taking any responsibility if you get a ticket. I won't get tickets because I follow all the rules. I've called the code inspector and got it all figured out. Like I said, it's 4 feet, so the other side of the sidewalk. There you go. Money. Alrighty, now we're off to spot number 2. It's a spot that I always put a sign. It's my regular area. I get a lot of work there as well. Because of my sign even. I've had a couple word of mouths, but it's my sign. They like it, it looks good. So, you want what you do, your phone number, and your website so people can look you up. People don't care about anything else. They don't care about little icons or anything like that. They want to know what you do, your phone number, and your website. Sorry, I'm driving, but I had something else to come up with to say. So I get 12 or 18 by 24 signs. Gotta stop here. 18 by 24 signs, double-sided. Those are my big ones. That's my money maker. And then I have some littler ones. They're 12 by 18 single-sided, a little bit cheaper. They're all right. They get to the point. They're for places I don't need a lot, and I just want to throw something out there for 80 cents or so. Not spend that $3, $4, $5, maybe $8 on a sign. You got to think about it. An $8 sign can bring you anywhere from a $150 gutter job clear to $2,000, $4,000 job. I just did a bid on a storage facility is what it was, for people to store their stuff, and that was about $3,000, I think, off the top of my head. I bid that. So, and that was for my signs. So one sign will pay for itself. 100 signs, one job will pay for, and you'll get more than one. So here we are, we're pulling into one of my good spots. I always have a sign here. It's been gone for, I don't know, a little over a week now. I just haven't had any on me. I've been busy every time I come up here to this town. But I'm here now. I'm gonna pull over and then put out a sign. And this is all private back here, so it doesn't, for me, the 4 feet doesn't matter back here. So I can put it anywhere. stop for this car, be courteous. There we go. So you saw the sign on the back of my truck. The sign's coming out. Here we go. Go like this and slide it on in. I don't always put in the same spot over here, but I put in the same area. That way other people can see it too. Spot 3 for the day. I got more signs out, but I'm just putting 2 new ones out. Zip ties. This is what I do at this spot. I normally have a pack, but I forgot them. I'm just doing a few today anyway. It's the old sign that blew off at a place. I actually found it, so. New zip tie. And now, this is my little cheap one, about 80 cents. Hole and hole. You can put it on other things. Don't need to order posts or anything that way. It works out good, nice and cheap, and you'll see I put it on specific things. Maybe on a, right now I'm putting it on a pole, but you can put it on fences. All kinds of different stuff, so check it out. Right over there is where we're going, see? It's the empty post, it's 4 feet in, totally allowed, it's on private land, so it's at their discretion. They always let me put them here, so. Here we go. Make sure you get the zip tie in correctly. Go. Now, knife. Let's make it look pretty so people don't just get mad, don't tear it off, don't freak out or anything. And then everybody can see it. Back to the car. Can't spill the coffee. Yeti. Breakfast. Got some hazelnut creamer. It tastes pretty good. Just great value brand, but I like it. Like I said, I'm just pulling out of this place. There's another sign that somebody has, but pulling out. Everyone can see it. It's right there. So it's a moneymaker. So I recommend just putting them at places that everyone can see, as well as ask your customer, can I put it in your yard? Because that's going to get you more people on the same block in the area where you want to work. And most likely, if it's on that block, people are trying to keep up with the Joneses, truthfully. If they don't even care about their house, they'll do it because the neighbor did it. Just because. Not even kidding. So put your signs out. I like to put the big ones, double-sided, out there. If they would ask for a smaller one, I will put a smaller one out there. I tell them I'll come pick it up in about a week or so when I do, because normally I get another call as well. If I don't, I still go pick it up because I told them I would, and that's just what I do. That's about it for that. So now I'm heading out towards another town, a little bit smaller than that one. There's so many little towns here. I do a lot of work in all of them. I drive about a 50-mile radius. It keeps me real busy that way. I'm just self-employed. I'm by myself. So that's what I do to get work. Keep my family eating. It's good. Put out a sign, and this freaking buzzard's crazy. He's spreading his wings. He isn't doing it now, but he was. He looked huge. I thought it was a turkey for a minute. It's going to stay here. The wind's not going to blow it away. Let's cut my zip ties. I don't like to look ugly. Alrighty, there to stay. Now, as you can see, you'll be able to see it from there. All the way and that way. Now I'm gonna go out to the gun range and shoot my AR a couple times, just because I can. So here we are at the range. I'm heading out there. It'll take me a little while. It's a campsite and a range. They got bow hunt, or you can shoot bows, rifles, pistols, air guns, any of that. And then back behind it, it's a hunting area. So I'll get us over there, and then we'll be having fun. So there's the bow range. They got so you can practice like you're shooting out of a tree stand, anything like that. It's pretty cool. And then we come over to where they have the shotgun area for clay pigeons and whatnot, with the covered area where you can hang out and eat. It has lights at night. Of course, I don't know why anyone would be out here at night. And then the long range, 100, 200, and 250 yards. I forgot my sign, or not my sign, but you know what I mean. Target. So I got a box I found in my car. Go ahead and use that, set it up, and that'll be good enough. There we go. Today I'll be shooting my AR556, and I have my 9mm. I'll show you in a little while. I might shoot that, but I want to shoot this. I want to shot it a few times. Right through there. I'd say that's pretty good from that far. With iron sights. Earlier, I forgot my signs, or not my signs, my targets. So here we go. Target, 80 cents. I'll be shooting the 9mm Ruger. Emptied out. 3 out of 7 times. So I'm all done for the day putting out signs. I'll get calls from those. I know those spots specifically, and that's just what'll happen. So I'm on my way to go get my hair cut. I hate having my hair cut, but I can't stand looking like this, so whatever. So I got my hair cut, looking better than I did, and now I'm gonna go wait to pick up my boy, and that's my day for now. I'm gonna hang out with them after, see what they might want to do, and do what they want to do. Have a good day.